Okay, so what we're doing, I'm over at my buddy Paul's today from Bad Rat Garage, and what we're doing today is getting this car ready to go to the LS Fest that's coming up soon. Holley is one of our big supporters, and they want me to put their Holley system on the 57 Chevy, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get started. So this car actually is a 416 stroker motor. It's the LS3, and also I went in with a Pro Charger, and they sent me on an F1 Pro Charger for this car. I haven't really got it to work how I want it yet because I've always had an issue with the AC belt blowing off the car due to the fact that I built my own AC bracket, and it's probably not exactly perfectly true. So under any amount of boost, it's pulling on it really hard, and it's throwing the belt off, which in return takes off the main belt to the Pro Charger, which doesn't do me any good. So Pro Charger sent me out a new front unit for it that will actually accept a AC compressor that'll fit up here now instead of down below like the Corvettes. And they're really hard to get to if you have any issues when they're down there. So this one's actually gonna move it up on top, and that's the biggest deal right now. And then I think this thing is gonna be perfect, but this system was set up non-AC, so I had to kind of make my own bracket. But now they do have a bracket that will accept your AC compressor, so that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, something dropped.
A slag of aluminum.
What the hell?
He just kind of came off right here. It was sitting right here. And I hit it, and I'm like, what the frick? Dude, you should make an earring like from the 80s.
I like right there?
Yeah, just get you the You look good.
No, that ain't gonna happen. Oops, just lean it. Okay. There we go. Because Holley makes one of the best systems for these cars. Yeah. I mean, hands down, everything that I've done is Holley. All their systems they have is just awesome. I mean, they don't. No, it isn't. It's just it's all good. I mean, and it's easy for anybody, for Joe Blow that's putting this stuff together, you know. And I'm not real smart with the Holley stuff, but I'll tell you what, it makes it so simple that anybody can really do it.
Well, especially when you got
a little bit of common sense.
Somebody that knows what the fuck's
going on.
Yeah, I mean,
it's not like you have to. Everything's plug and play, which is really cool with the Holley stuff.
Got the deer out. Look at that shit. Ooh.